So this is Rinsha again. I am here to complete my installation video. So first of all, I will directly just so this is my page, Canvas page from my college, and I will go to resources. In resources, I have this download link. I will copy and so here it is. I'm using MacBook Pro. So this is the Anaconda page where I will just go and click on download. Once I go on download, it will be a command line or the graphical installer. So I will just go for the graphical installer. I run the package. So here it is my package. I run the package and installed it. For installation, I used install Anaconda. From here, I just downloaded this one, Mac OS x86 64-bit package and the sh file. And now I will just go the Anaconda install documentation. So here is the process which I went through: introduction, readme license for my MacBook Pro, and in for Mac it is almost like it took 2.3 GB of space. So I installed it, and so we don't need PyCharm, so I didn't went for the PyCharm, and I created my account on the Anaconda cloud, and also then you can just close it. So the installation is done already. Once the installation done, I can see that in my apps. This is the Anaconda. So I will just click it. It will just take like 10 to 15 seconds to get open. Okay, so here it is, and now I can see this is Anaconda Navigator. This is the home page, and we will just see the environment. So here all the packages which we need. So mostly we will just go by the I can just say like mm, the Numby docs. Then we will also go to Matplot, correct? And these are few packages which we are gonna use in Python. Then here is a learning where I can just learn from the package list. Like right now I am working on Jupyter, so this one is Jupyter documentation, which is really helpful. If you will just go on read, here you will just get how to do it, the console, how the documentation work, and how different type of kernels are there in the Jupyter. So all the documentations are there which you can learn from here. Then I will just go on home, and we have to work on the Jupyter notebook. So for working on it, because it is as web based environment, so it will just open. Okay, so this is, and whenever if you want, you can just go create new Python file, and you can just start whatever results you want. And like outputs. If you want um, for this is 2, right? So this is a file, this is an, you can also rename your file, like I can just do, this is my file, so Rinsha installation, okay, and I just renamed it. So this is the file, and I can just download it also in different types of files like notebooks, so IPNY, Python, HTML. So whatever I want it, I can just go through it and do it. And so that's it. My installation is good. My Jupyter is working, and I am ready to go with the Anaconda and Jupyter to learn more about Python. Thank you so much.